Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Katashi, and today I'll be making some Zeppole donuts. In this pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and 8 teaspoons of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to just put this mixture on the stove on medium heat so it can melt the butter. Now we're just going to give this a stir. Gonna let this simmer on medium-low heat to melt all the butter. See the butter melting, guys? Now that it's boiling, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of flour and stir till well combined. And now we're going to put it back on the stove for it to cook for another couple of seconds till it comes together. So you see that thin flame on the bottom, guys? That's what you want to see. So I'm now going to remove it from the stove. Now I'm going to scrape out my mixture in a bowl because you're supposed to let it cool. And guys, this is my second time making these donuts, and from the first time I made them, they were oh so delicious. I had to come and show you guys. I actually saw this recipe on one of my favorite YouTubers' videos. So I hope you enjoy this and try this Zeppole donuts for yourself. So we're just going to let this cool and then come back. So now that my batter has cooled down, I'm going to add 4 eggs, but I'm going to gradually add them. So here goes the first one. So hi guys, I'm back. So you're supposed to put some of your mixture in a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. Well, since I ain't got any of those today, I'll be using a 2-pound clear plastic bag. So I'm just going to fill my butter in it and then clip the end of the bag to make an entrance so I can squeeze out the donuts. Or should I say squeeze out the filling? Yeah. So hey guys, this is how it looks in the bag. You'll need your kitchen scissors for this. So I'm going to clip about 1 inch of the bag so I can squeeze it out. So I'll be back with you in just a second. So I'm now going to preheat my frying pan. So I'm now just going to snip off about 2 inch of the bag like this. Okay guys, so what I normally do is preheat my oil on high and then turn it down to medium heat. So guys, the bag wasn't really working out for me, so I had to get creative. It actually burst. It caught on the side of the pot and burst. So normally these quick and easy donuts are supposed to puff up and flip over on their own, but if they don't, you can just use a spoon and just flip them over like I'm doing. Can I tell you, I've been here eating out the donuts and they haven't finished as it. That's how good they are. They're really delicious and easy to make. See you in a jiffy. So guys, this is how my Zeppole donuts look when they're finished frying and cooling. Donuts are looking, and what I like to do is just coat them in this white donut sauce. Go like this on one side, because there's not a lot of sugar in this mixture, so you want to be generous with the icing sugar and the donut sauce, like that. So there you have it guys, my Zeppole donuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!